Want to impress your guests at Easter? Howard's going to show us how to do that with this fabulous carrot cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With Easter just a few weeks away, you're probably starting to think about what you're going to serve for dessert or what to bring if you're invited to someone's house. Well, this year, rather than making the same old thing, how about making a from-scratch carrot cake that's guaranteed to be the talk of the table? We start by creaming some brown and white sugar along with some butter until it's light and fluffy. To that, we add a few eggs, one at a time. Now for the part that gives this lots of flavor, we add a can of crushed pineapple that we've drained, our grated carrots, some raisins, and a splash of vanilla. To bring this together, we beat in our dry ingredients along with a few off-the-shelf spices. This goes into a 9x13 baking dish and gets baked off until it passes the toothpick test. Once it cools, we top it with a simple homemade cream cheese frosting, fancy it up with some nuts, and it's ready to serve. Everyone may be stuffed from Easter dinner, but I can assure you, no one's going to pass this by. To get the recipe, all you have to do is go to our website and look for what we call Fabulous Carrot Cake. The reason we call it that will be pretty obvious after one forkful. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a
fabulous way.
Yeah, a fabulous way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. All you need to do is go over to KOAMNewsNow.com. And now